This could be the car for you. The 2018 GMC Acadia. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle delivers the style, comfort, and efficiency you need to meet the needs of today's lifestyle. Confidence comes standard when you're behind the wheel, prepared for the journey ahead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, power liftgate, fog lamps, dual zone AC, power driver seat, electronic stability control, third row seat, heated front seat, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system,